What's up, everybody? What's happening? Okay, welcome for another Kneel for Money video tutorial presentation. Now, I have not done a video in a little while. That's basically because I've been away. Yeah, I had to get away and do me and get away from the business for a while and just do me. Okay, go on a little vacay. So I'm back and here we go. Now, this is one of the newest programs that I just recently got down with. So I've only made $20 off of it yet because I only have one referral. Now, this is called Level Rewards. Many of you out there, you probably already heard about Level Rewards. To tell you the truth, I just heard about it. Okay, I actually heard about it a month or so ago. Okay, I think I might have went ahead and signed up, but I never did nothing with the account. You know, I didn't even pursue it. I didn't push it. I didn't nothing. Okay, but now I am signed up and I am ready to go. Okay, so boom, Level Rewards. Now, if you remember anything, programs such as Instant Payday Network, My Cash Freebies, Instant Payday, Zip Nada Zilch, these were all referral programs where you had to complete trial offers from Fortune 500 companies that were hoping to and looking to gain exposure by giving trial offers such as a 7-day, 14-day, 30-day trial period to customers in the hope that they will become lifelong permanent customers and buy from them or utilize their service. Okay, so that's what we do. We complete offers, and by completing offers, we reach certain levels, which start from level 1, which is worth $5. Every level is worth $5. Now, you will not make money or be eligible to make money simply for signing up. You must complete a trial offer and get to at least level 1 before you can be eligible to make money through this program, because as I just told you, every one level is worth $5. So if you get to level 1, that's $5 you can now make for every referral that you refer. Now, boom, let me break it down. You could refer someone. Let's say you only got the level 1. You just said, that, you know what? I just want to make $5 per referral. That's good enough for me. And you just did one offer because you ain't want to do no more. I mean, that's your prerogative. You didn't want to do more. You know, some people are very trepidatious when it comes to doing these offers, because many of these offers require you to share your credit card and sometimes pertinent information that makes people feel just unsafe or trepidatious about, which you should not, because these are all Fortune 500 companies. And if you feel like that, what I always tell people, because this is what I do, only do the ones that you know, because these are names that are like household names, like Heinz Ketchup, for instance, or like Johnson & Johnson. Those are household names, right? So now if we look here at these offers, look at this one. The first one is LifeLock. LifeLock is a household name. We all seen the LifeLock commercials. They come on about, 10, 20 times a day and all through the night during the what you call infomercial hours, okay? So we've all seen it, you know, about identity theft, which is at an all-time high. Another reason why people are very trepidatious about sharing their credit card and pertinent information, okay? But this program, Level Rewards, has been around, I believe, since 2011, somewhere like that. I didn't even know about it. But people have been making some great money with this, just as people did with Zip Nada Zilch and Instant Payday Network, which were the two first programs I ever started with when I started online. Okay? And, you know, I didn't make a whole bunch of money, okay? Because the people I signed up to, they pretty much left me hanging. And they didn't assist me and didn't help me really get on my feet. So, now, LifeLock. Remember, I just told you one credit is worth $5. You can now potentially make up to $5 per referral, as long as your referral too has done one offer. See, sign-ups don't get paid. You don't make money for signing up. You got to start doing, you have to do offers, and then get your referrals to do offers as well. And if you're on level 1, which is $5, like I was saying, and you're a referral, let's say you sign somebody up. Let's say I click your link, right? And now I go Level Rewards and I sign up and sign me and start me an account, get my link. And I only do, let's say I do this one, LifeLock. LifeLock is worth 4 credits. Every credit is worth $5. So now I can make up to $20 per referral. But you only did 1 offer. So you can only make up to $5, which means that I did 4 or got 4 credits, which put me on level 4. You only gonna get $5 from me. Okay? If you was on level 4 too, you would get $20 from me. So in other words, I'm on level 4 right now. I'm on level 4, right? So if I go and get somebody to sign up, my main object or goal is to get them to level 4 or beyond. The point is that I want to be able to make the $20 from every one of my referrals. So let's say I get a referral, right? Let's say somebody, I get a referral. And let's say my referral don't make $20 right off the bat because my referral only wanted to do 2 offers. And each one of the offers was worth a credit. So now they're on level 2, which is $10 that they can potentially make. But I'm on level 4, which is $20. So because they only got up to level 2, which is only $10, I'm only going to make $10 off of them. But they have a chance to, you can do levels all throughout the duration of being down with Level Rewards. So let's say they go and they do another offer a week or a month later. Now they're on level 3, which is $15. I'm going to get the $5 because remember, I signed them up. And once they hit level 4, which is a $20 payment, that's my full payout for that referral, right? Now, let's say I signed somebody up that went all the way to level 6. That's $30. I ain't on level 6. I'm only on level 4. So I'm only going to get $20 from them opposed to $30 from them. And vice versa. The same thing would go with them. So like I said, the main object or the object here is to get your referrals to reach the same level you are on. So for instance, me, I did Freester and I did Road Save. I'm only on level 4. Okay, which you can see this right here. I'm on level 4, okay? So I'll go right here to my status. Look, I could have clicked this right here. But anyway, I'll go to my status, okay? And if I go to my status, is this my status? Let me see. You can see right here. This is where I'm at. I'm on level 4. Okay, so boom, check this out. Let's see now. These right here are 2 links that are from third-party landings. You will get your own link. And they give you more than 1, which is good. Because look right here, these are my links. You have landing page 1, landing page 2, 3, registration page 1 and 2. So you got 5 different links you can use to get referrals, get signups. So now, these third-party landing pages are not direct links of Level Rewards. However, you will get paid if someone uses one of those third-party landing pages. You will get your credit, okay, money. So here, right here, I clicked on this one. And let me show you something. Now, even though these are awesome landing pages, the only thing is this. If you get some, you cannot share these landing pages as do social media, especially Facebook, because of this right here. You see right here where it says not secure? Facebook will reject that. I tried, I know. But these are some fantastic. I actually like these third-party landing pages better than the landing pages that Level Rewards give us. Because to me, these third-party level pages, they pop more. Okay, like for instance, let me play a little bit of this 1 minute. Check out this video.
Hi, hello, visitors. My name is Matthew. I am the owner of StartTheProfit.net. Now, this website is given away freely to the associates of Level Rewards. We got a way to explain and show people proof that this is an opportunity that actually does work. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you watch the picture-proof videos, either above this video or below this video. Level Rewards really is an opportunity that's helping out hundreds of families make money to pay bills, and chances are that's why you're watching this video. We're going to show you how to get set up in this program in the next 5 minutes. Now, going back to the Picture Proof group, we really got a Facebook group with over 30,000 members who post proof, progress, and results pictures that motivate our team and to show everybody else that this is, in fact, a legitimate opportunity that pays out every single day. There are many different things you can be doing online to make money, but most will not work as well or as fast as Level Rewards opportunity. The holidays are just around the corner. You got Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, and chances are you could use an extra few $100s going through those holidays, and this is an opportunity that can make you that money. And once you master this, you can actually get paid every single day because Level Rewards pays out every single day you get results. So over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to get registered, how to get qualified, how to access training so you can start posting ads for this program today. All right, so now I'm going to walk you through the sign-up process for Level Rewards. It's a very quick and straightforward process.
All right, so boom, that's all I'm going to play right there. I'm not trying to make this video too long. Okay, but y'all did get a chance to hear a little bit of that. And I don't know if you were paying attention to the screen, but let me move forward. Let's jump right here. Okay, he's talking about the offers. I already did that with y'all. Okay, moving forward. Okay, let me see what's over here. So, boom, boom, boom. I guess that's pretty much, yeah. So, anyway, you know, so this explains a little bit of it. Level Rewards is an online advertising platform that hosts offers from many Fortune 500 companies. With Level Rewards, you earn points by leveling up when you try products or services from the featured advertisers. These points can be redeemed for cash rewards when you refer other members. Your main task will be sending website visitors to posting ads using social media. When people you refer to try products or services, wait a minute, I'm reading that all crazy right now. When people you refer try products or services, you get paid. Training included, and yes, it is included. And I'm going to show you that right now. Earn $5 to $20 on average per customer. Actually, if you complete enough offers, you can actually be eligible to earn up to, I believe, $250 per referral, as long as they complete the same amount of, offers. So that's basically what it is, y'all. And listen, get paid daily. I mean, if you ain't up on Level Rewards yet, like I said, I haven't really worked this program. I only just signed up, and then I have the problem with going on with my foot medical wise. Okay, so I hadn't really been doing no work, and then I had went away for a little while, and so now I'm just now getting back, and now I'm ready to sink my teeth into this because I see and hear from so many people, and I'm seeing the proof on the Facebook group. Which, let me show y'all this Facebook group right here. Okay, so let's come right here. Let me show y'all just how easy it is to do this. Okay, matter of fact, okay, scroll back up. So y'all saw that one. Okay, so now let's come right here to this Facebook thing. Now I want to show y'all something right quick. I'm going to come right here to my Word, open my Word up. See, I just posted the ad right there, but I'm going to open Word up. I'm going to take this ad. Come on. And you see it's already highlighted. I'm going to right click one more time just to make sure. And I'm going to copy it. These are ads that I got from their training site. So all we do, our main thing that we do is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We post. Oh, morning, afternoon, late at night, we post. That's it. Copy, paste, post. But it can bring in money. And since I got a referral like my second, third day after even posting, and I think I only posted like 10 little ads like this on Facebook. And then I was like, whatever. I was going through something at the time, I told y'all. So anyway, yeah. And then the next day I woke up, had an email. I got $20 from Level Rewards. Okay. So yeah, anyway, this is what we do. We just post. Okay. So now if I come and I go back, see look at all my groups. I'm down with all these groups. I mean, man, listen, all of these groups. I don't know what this thing is buffering about, but I am down with all of these groups. and I'm still joining even more. This is my